Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete Snapchat friends. And here's how it is done. Number 1. Decrease interaction with the current best friend. Send fewer snaps. Limit the number of snaps you send to the person you want to remove from your best friends list. Avoid chatting. Refrain from engaging in regular conversations with them. 2. Increase interaction with others. Snap more frequently. Start sending more snaps to other friends. Engage in conversations. Chat more with the people you want to appear on your best friends list. Snapchat's algorithm updates your best friends list based on your recent interactions. By decreasing your engagement with one person and increasing it with others, you can effectively change your best friends list over time. That is everything you should know about how to delete Snapchat friends. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching.